Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search on the Ikea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option, and type in the kind of product that you are interested in. Tap on the result, and then if you would like to filter your search, you need to select the color, price and materials, as you can see in the middle of the screen. If you swipe right, you can select these categories. So you can tap on the color that you prefer, then select the price range and the materials as well. Then if you are done with these steps, all you have to do is tapping on the button view. So now the results are available to you, and you can find the right product which suits your preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.